I'll die without my high blood pressure medication. I'll die without my high blood pressure medication. I swear, if I don't get my high blood pressure medication, I'll die for sure. These are the foods, the high omega-3 dressing that I just made. And I swear I'll die without my high blood pressure medication. So if you're eating your mass-produced meat like chicken, pork, and turkey that has about 100 times too much fat in it because all they eat is grains and they've been bred to be like that. And if you're eating your cheese and your yogurt and your cottage cheese, etc., that are made from dairy milk, which is not a human food, you're going to need your high blood pressure medication. And if you're eating all of those unnatural oils and 10 times, 100 times too much fat and oils in your body because you're not eating enough fruits and vegetables, you're going to need your high blood pressure medication. Okay? So I'm just making this video to wake people up, because that's what they need to become, woke. Whether you're a Republican or a Democrat, whatever, you need to wake up and stop going to McDonald's and buying baked goods and eating junk meat, poor quality meat. Brett, what kind of meat should I eat? Basically, the animal should have been totally free and a natural breed. Okay, so wild or free and a natural breed. So you can buy salmon in cans or fresh. You can buy sardines. You can buy buffalo. It's expensive. And you can also buy free-range eggs. Okay? Free-range eggs come from heritage breed chickens, because Cornish crossbreed chickens don't lay good eggs in large quantities. That's one of the clevets. So heritage breed chickens actually are great for eggs. But if they don't let them run around in green grass, see, green. It's winter time and the grass here in North Carolina is still green. Pretty cool. But see, basically the problem is greed. You have all of these people out there trying to mass produce food for a mass produced population of people that don't think when they breed humans. They think, oh, let's just keep making more humans. Thank God the population is coming down. In any case, so there you go. That's how you avoid high blood pressure medications. Okay, so don't forget to eat your raw food in the wintertime. And the raw salad is cabbage, purple and regular. And also, here's some radicchio that I still have, which is not so much of a deep winter vegetable, but you can see that it's like a cabbage in that it's tightly packed and it lasts in a container for a long time. And sprouts. So the green sprouts you can eat raw, and I put that salad dressing on them. I put that salad dressing on my cabbage salad too. And for me, what I do is I just chop it all up. That's got a tomato in there too. I chopped it all up and I put some parsley in there. And also when you learn about gardening, there are certain vegetables like collard greens, certain types of collard greens that can survive in deep snow. They don't die. And so ultimately that's what we'll do. Well, you know, and squashes, those big Hubbard squashes and banana squashes, they can survive in really cold weather in a root cellar. And so, and if people can get back to the natural, that's what they need to do. So eating green lettuces when there's no way in hell that a green lettuce could survive growing in a garden out there in wintertime, it doesn't make any sense. This is your salad. This is your salad in wintertime. Stuff that like this, you could grow it indoors, sprouts, and these are bean sprouts, you know, and I'm getting going with sprouting my own stuff now. So I bought these lids, these sprouting lids, and you want to at least soak all the beans for 12 hours and then let them sit and sprout for maybe another 6, 12 hours or 24 hours before you cook them. All these beans, all the beans have to be cooked in addition to sprouting. Don't try and eat that raw. It's no good. There's certain constituents in there that don't allow for good digestion unless it's also cooked. But if you do both sprouting and cooking, then it makes it ultimately digestible, and more protein availability too, and mineral availability, because you digest it better and because it's breaking down certain things like and acids, various acids and things in there that it breaks down by doing these processes. Okay? So thanks for joining me. Bye. See my root veggies, and also my fruits, local apples, eggs, and this is sprouted sourdough bread, naturally leavened bread from Simple Needs, Kneads bread. You can order that online. Sauerkraut, got my kraut for the winter. There's the Simple Needs bread, and you can order a crap load of it and keep it in your freezer. Wild fish, that's mahi-mahi. And in the winter time, you got to be stocked on your herbs. Got lots of sorghum. Where's my sorghum? It's around here somewhere. But anyways, there's a bunch of canned salmon. That's wild. See, this is what you want. Wild. That's the word that you want. Wild. Got a bunch of olives on sale. Local Appalachian honey. See, got a bunch of salsa. I'll buy a bunch of that at the health food store. And good quality salt. That's what's in the dressing. Flax seeds and chia seeds. And also this Lewis Labs nutritional yeast. I put that in there for protein. Lots of good protein. And see this? This is, oh no, not that. That's crushed eggshells. I'll put that in my food too for extra calcium. And like so many, I got all my hot spices over here. Curry. And then I buy a lot of my herbs in bulk online. Like by the pound. Dried tomatoes. Chocolate. I eat chocolate every day with the sorghum. You mix that and that. Oh, I think I need to make a video. I'll die without my high blood pressure medication. Give me another piece of that cheese.